Alright, so I bought a 2014 STI. Had about 18,000 miles on it when I got it. Right around 50,000 miles, I spun a rod coming home from work. So, that's the block I spun a rod in. You have to excuse me, my garage is a mess right now. That's a IAG Stage 2 short block. And then the heads I had machined at Outfront Motorsports. I have Illuminati V2 TGV deletes, 1300cc injectors, their IDs. I got the IAG rails and lines and everything. Deechworks 300C fuel pump. Killer Bee. This is a 3-inch turbo inlet. I have the ETS front mount. These are the dash 10 AN lines for my oil cooler setup. Here's all my ETS stuff. The intercooler cord's right here. I got a Blausch Dom 1.5 XTR. That's what's going on there. CSF radiator with a built-in oil cooler. I have a Grimspeed boost controller. I was running through all that. It's set for so long that I'm forgetting a lot of stuff and having to go back and figure out what's what. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So, put all this together myself for the most part. Kitchen? What's going on here? Alright, there we go. So I have a Killer Bee Holly header, Killer Bee pan, pickup windage tray, quick drain for the oil. I put the block together, or I put the long block together. The heads were machined at Outfront Motorsports, and then of course it's an IAG short block. I have a Setrab oil filter spacer, and then I have the Mocal sandwich plate. This is where I'll be running my lines to the oil cooler that's on the CSF radiator. And then of course I just have AOS, freaking Group N motor mounts. This is the transmission mount, Act clutch. That's a comp series. I got the street series stuff for it with the PCV hose. Get a Dom tune, cylinder 4 cooling mod, access port. I have a wideband and a oil pressure sensor, and then all my other fuel stuff's in here. All my lines, my fuel pump. It's a Deechworks 300C, Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. Here's the up pipe. Yep, slowly coming together. Just been buying parts and just started throwing it all together. Probably, I don't know, 2 months ago. A bunch of the old stuff. But once I get this all done and squared away, I'm gonna get a tune, probably a Yimmy Sport. My secondary air pump delete stuff should be here. I could probably just make some plates at work, but I'm being lazy. But eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to close deck it, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, let me know what you think.